Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. We are starting question number 14 of exercise 10G, right? And you can see in the figure here that there is a point A which is in xy coordinates, and the coordinates of this point are given -3, 4, right? They have asked you to find the column OB column vector, right? They have asked you to find the column vector OB. By using this condition, it is given that OB is equals to 3 times of OA. Okay, so we are going to use this condition which is mentioned in part 1, that OB is equals to 3 times of OA. So firstly, because we need to find OB as a column vector, so I'm going to write the vector A as a column vector. So okay, let's do it here. Solution is, we know that OA is equals to -3, 4, right? By using these coordinates. Now, OB is equals to 3 times of OA. So I'm going to substitute the value of OA here, and it will be equals to 3 into -3, 4, and on multiplying I'll get -9, 12. So we got OB column vector here. Okay. Now part 2 is that there is a point C, okay, and its coordinates are given. Its coordinates are 2, 16, right? And they have asked you to find AC column vector. AC, we know the coordinates of A, or we know the column vector A, and we know the coordinates of C, so we can easily find this column vector AC. The part 2 is to find column vector AC, and we know that AC will be equals to final minus initial point. So OC, as C is 216, so if I write it in column vector, it will be 216, right? Minus OA will be -3, 4, and on solving this or simplifying, you will get 5, 12, and we got AC column vector. And they've also asked you to find the magnitude of this column vector, which you can very easily find by applying the formula. That would be 5 square plus 12 square, square root, and on solving it you will get 13 units. All right, so now moving to the part 3, in which they have asked you to find the point D is the result of translation of point A by this amount. Okay, I'm going to read it again. There is a point D which is result of translation of point A by 5 minus 2. Okay, so basically by translation we mean, in mathematics, by translation it means simply moving. Means that there is a point D that we get by moving this point A by this amount. Okay, we move point A by this amount and we get another point D here. So I'm gonna simply add this into point A and we will get our point D. So we're gonna find point D, its coordinates. Okay, and we know that by given condition it's by translation of point A. So point D's coordinate will be equals to the coordinates of point A -3, 4, right, plus the amount by which we are moving point A to get this point D. So on solving it we will get 2, 2. These are the, we got the column vector D, and that's all. Thank you.